Good afternoon, this is Joe, and today I'm going to show you how you can protect your WordPress website content or data from hackers and content scrapers. So let's start. Just go to the admin panel of your WordPress website, log in and go to plugin section. Now that we have landed onto the plugins page of WordPress, from this page you can add new plugins, see all the plugins installed, activate and deactivate the plugin or delete them. So let's start. Just click onto the add new button. Go to the search input box, type in IP blocker. This will search from the WordPress repository, and here's the go. This is the plugin which is mostly used by people, and just hit on the install now button. The plugin is being installed, so please wait for a few seconds. So now you can see the plugin has been installed, and this option is being activated on your screen. Just hit on the activate button. Here you go. This is the dashboard of your plugin you recently installed. Okay, so you can see this wordpress-ip-blocker settings page, and the plugin version is 10.1. This is Lite version, so there are very limited options available in this version. This is actually a free version, so if you want to test the basic features of this plugin, you can go on. However, if you require features like wildcard IP blocking, automated blocking for suspected IP addresses, or if you want to block any country, like if you're getting traffic from USA, and if you want to block the rest countries, or let's say if you're getting traffic from United States and Canada and you do not want any other country to view your website contents, there are many other features available in the IP Blocker Pro, which I'll be describing in my next video. But I would recommend using the Lite version if you are running your personal website that does not require blocking of people. Such plugin is, however, a necessity for today's websites, as we already know how much spam and hack attacks we get on our WordPress websites. I recently purchased the IP Blocker Pro, and with its help I have managed reducing my server cost to 50% and even more. As more and more unwanted people visit your website, the more server utilization happens, which incurs us a huge cost. So this has also helped me in blocking the hack attempts that were being made to my WordPress panel. I'll provide a detailed review about IP Blocker Pro in my next video, so please subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified as soon as I create a new video. So let's start. Let me give you some quick introduction about this dashboard screen. On the top of this dashboard, you can see the message stating your current IP address is 127.0.0.1. This is actually the current IP address of your system, so that you cannot block your own IP address. If you block your own IP address, if you add it to the IP address blocker list, then you will not be able to access your own website at this particular IP address. So please see your own IP address before adding any further IP addresses in the blocker list. Now there is a message that says display blank page to the banned user. So if I check this option, then the blocked IP addresses will be able to see a blank page, but they will not be able to see any further, even a message. They will see a blank page on your website. This can be unchecked in this. Now let's begin adding our IP addresses that we need to block. So click here. There's the text box against add new IP, and let's say if you want to add 59.123.123.145, write the IP address and click onto the add button, and here you can see the IP address has been added to our blocker list. So similarly, you can add number of IP addresses over there, and all such IP addresses will be blocked. So you have already understood how to add the IP addresses to the blocker list. This was actually the manual effort for blocking IP address individually, but if you do have the list of IP addresses, you can also upload the CSV file. Just click onto the upload IP addresses button, choose the file and upload it. You can download the sample CSV file, how the IP addresses that need to be placed in CSV. Let's download the CSV file, open it. So this is the format of IP addresses in CSV. Once you have finished adding the IP addresses to the blocker list, you can also download the IP addresses by clicking here. Just click onto this option, download blocked IP addresses, and hit the download in Excel or CSV Lite format, which is IP blocker Lite format. Look at the downloaded file. You can also download the complete backup, which is actually the IP Blocker Pro format, so that it will download all settings that you have done in IP Blocker Lite. So later on, if you purchase IP Blocker Pro, you can import everything that you have added or updated here. If you do have any questions, you can also ask on their support forum at the given link. So this was all from my side. Thanks for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.